Hi, I'm Marna, and the other day I was at the antique mall, and then this morning I was at Walmart, and I wanted to show you a couple things. I was at the antique mall, and the first one I saw, and this is American Girl, is the kitty. And, well, actually I think I saw this one first, and y'all, I haven't brushed this out yet. Y'all know I have a Yorkshire Terrier, so, I mean, really. And then they also had, I wasn't going to get this one, but I did because I paid less than $5 for each of these. I think this was the most expensive. These were not. So I went ahead and got all of those because you never know. And I thought that was fun. So today, I have mentioned before that I want to set up a sled dog scene with my American Girls with Dog Sleds, and I found this guy. I used to collect the stuffed animals that do stuff, the, I want to call them animatronics, but whatever they are, and I used to collect Huskies. So these were by the My Life line, and they are called Kid Connection. And they had several different breeds of dogs. I'm trying to remember, I think they had a cat or two. And I just thought that'd be cute for the scene, and so I wanted to show you all of these. Then, in the jewelry department, over by the glasses, look at my BJD's new spider earrings. Oh, I love them. They're so cute. They had this great deal. It's 6 pairs of what I would consider, let's just call them holiday earrings. I think they're fun. I used to wear this kind of stuff all the time. Get those little pumpkins popped around. Anyway, 6 pairs for $4. I just wanted to give you all a heads up. I know some of you are getting your dolls ready for Halloween too, and thought you might like to see what I had found. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.